If you're looking for the perfect marriage between a taco and a burger, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm putting together an al pastor smash burger with just a few simple ingredients. I'm gonna cook it right here on my PK grill that I've got fired up, and I've just got a griddle pan sitting right over the top. It looks nice and hot. Let's go grab our ingredients and we'll get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need one important ingredient besides the meat, the Spanglish Asadero al pastor seasoning. I've used this before, and if you've seen one of the really old YouTube videos that I've made, I'm not telling you to go watch it, but I'll put it right here. It's pretty bad, so be gentle. This stuff absolutely rocks, and this is where our al pastor flavoring is gonna come from. I've also got about a quarter pound fresh ground prairie fresh pork that's left over from my last competition, but you can also pick this up just at your butcher. I've just split it into, you know, like fist size balls here that I've got, and then I've got some fresh pineapple that I've got back here too. I've got some cheese and some other things inside, but we're gonna leave those inside because it's actually pretty warm today in Minnesota, which is crazy because I swear just a couple of days ago it was snowing. So we're gonna start by grabbing our first pork ball here. I'm gonna season that pretty liberally with our al pastor seasoning. If this wind would die down, whoo, that's wild. So this al pastor seasoning is perfect. It's got just about everything in here that you would want. Get that right down onto our griddle. Oh, you gotta love that sear. Make sure we get it all smashed down in there nice and pretty. Things are gonna prick pretty quickly here, so you wanna move as fast as you can. So again, I'm just hitting that with a little bit of the al pastor seasoning. And that's going right on our griddle there. And then I've got my grill press here. Oh, let's roll her over one. I'm just gonna get her pushed right down on top of there. Perfect. Just a little bit more of that al pastor seasoning on top of there for a good measure. And you know these are gonna be ready and getting close when you can start seeing some kind of the moisture dripping up from the top. All right, the good thing about it being windy is that it's already kind of seasoned up my pineapple here, so I'm just gonna throw a few slices of that down there too as well. Oh man, this is smelling delicious. And I went back and forth on whether to use cheese on this burger, but I finally decided, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. So I've got a little bit of jack cheese that I shredded up. I'm gonna melt that right on our griddle. I'm gonna put our bun right on top of there and get that going a little bit too. All right, so I think we're ready to do a little flipsies here. Man, that looks perfect. Boom, there's one. Get that other one flipped over there. There's two. And then our cheese and our bun should be ready. Look at that, nice and crispy and juicy. This is gonna be delicious. I'm excited for it. I think I've hit a home run. And our pineapple is getting nice and caramelized and brown there. That's gonna be absolutely delicious. I told you this was gonna be quick. I hope you are taking notes and paying attention. These are gonna absolutely rock. This is a double. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that jack cheese on there. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of our pineapple in there. And a little bit more there too as well. Ooh, boy, that's looking good, 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 good. All right, now let's get that other burger right on top. And I'm just gonna take that off and get it right on top of our burger patty here. I've just got some pickled red onions here. I'll put the recipe for this in the description, but we're just gonna put some pickled red onions right on the top of there. And then one more thing here, just a little sprinkle of cilantro over the top to finish that off. We'll top our bun burger right on top of there. Give her a good smash. Oh, that looks good. Let's see how we did. Oh, that's a home run. It's got all the flavors of al pastor that you would expect. The sweetness from the pineapple, crispiness of the burger, a little bit of spice from that al pastor seasoning, those quick pickled red onions, the cilantro. This is definitely a keeper. If you love this video, be sure to check out the Smokehouse Burger. It's just as delicious. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.